Hi and welcome back to the Cooking in the Kitchen with me. I'm Chris and this is
Sophia.
And this is
Pancake.
And this is
Bublik.
Bublik. Okay, so there's all four of us cooking. And as per usual, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, let us know what sort of things you like to cook. And today we're going to be making a beautiful pasta dough. Right from the scratch, very easy ingredients: flour, eggs, salt, water and a touch of oil. And we'll give you the full ingredients later. So the first job that we're going to have to do is we have got here some basic flour, and we've actually got 4 glasses. This is a 250ml glass. We've got 4 glasses of flour which we are going to sieve into the bowl. So if you'd like to take hold of this, because this is your favourite job, and I'll put this in here. So start sieving, little one. Keep it going. So we've used 4 glasses, 250ml glasses of flour, and we need to use 1 glass, the same size, of warm water. And in that glass we're going to use 2/3 water and 1/3 vegetable oil. Now the importance of the vegetable oil is that it actually allows you to get the pasta and roll it very, very thin, so that you don't have to worry. Do you want me to help you? You can actually roll it very, very thin. Now, you can use whatever size glass you want of flour, but you just must remember to use 1/4 of the water and oil mixture. So we're going to get this in here and we'll show you what next. Okay, now we've got the flour sieved into the bowl. What we're going to do is we're going to just explain. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to add the glass of water and oil, which is a mix of 2/3 water, 1/3 oil. And then we're going to beat the eggs and add the eggs. And now we're going to go to quick, so that you're not getting bored watching what we're doing.
Of course.
Of course. Right then, so we have now mixed, and we have got our pasta dough there like that, which is all very, very nicely mixed together. Now what we're going to do, is we're going to wrap it in a cling film, and we are going to leave it for 30 minutes in a bowl. Okay, so while that sits for 30 minutes, I just want to say again, if you would like to subscribe, because in 30 minutes time, when that is actually nice pasta, we're going to make some different pasta dishes from around the world. So subscribe and it will pop up on your video, and you can watch those videos and see what we're making. Thank you.